guys, so welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Tasha J. On this channel, I do all things from lifestyle vlogs, home decor, cleaning, and more. And if those are your vibes, definitely consider subscribing to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. So as you can see, I am currently in the kitchen. And so today we are going to be sampling some sample paint for the backsplash. So I did end up going to Home Depot and I decided between three colors. So my top color was Polar Bear, and then my other two colors were Ultra White and Sterling. So with Polar Bear, I was not able to get a sample, so I would have to buy the actual gallon, which is around $28. But before I decided to do that, I wanted to test out the two samples that I could get, which was the Sterling and the Ultra White. So that's what we'll be doing today on the backsplash here. And also, I do have my chandelier arriving today from Wayfair. I'm so excited. This is the chandelier that will be arriving. It's going to go in the living room area. Now, we do have currently in the living room a ceiling fan. We are going to remove that ceiling fan and move the placement of that hole over just so it can be centered with the new fireplace. Same people that did the fireplace will be also doing the replacement of the hole to hang the chandelier. So I'm excited about that. I will be showing you some behind the scenes of them actually installing the fireplace, what that looked like, and if you want to connect with them with their contact information, I will have it listed in this video today. And then if you are in the Atlanta or surrounding areas, you can reach out to them and they will get back with you with any type of consultation, setting up pricing, and so forth. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so this is the brand Bear here. This is the Sterling. This is the color. Hopefully you guys can see this little color, this ash type gray color. So they were able to put this on the top here. However, with the, oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's getting on the counter. Ultra White, it did spill a little bit in the bag. I was unaware of that. I gotta hurry up and get that off. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up. I don't want to get any paint anywhere else. I don't know why I am so nervous to actually put some paint on the backsplash. Do any of you guys get like that when you're getting ready to take on a big project? All right, so I am going to get a little small sample of the paint and do a small area here as well on the backsplash. So the color that I am painting first is in the color Sterling. It does look more of a ash gray to me. And so I am going to compare it to the Ultra White, which I'm painting now. The colors both look a little bit muted versus what you see in the actual container. I do prefer the Ultra White over the gray. And so what I'm going to do is let this dry a little bit just to see the true color. But I do want to test the Ultra White next to the paint that we have on the wall just to see how that would blend. And I do like it. I do like it. So now we just need to wait to see if my husband also favors this color over the Sterling. But I think that will be the option we choose. I also ended up going by Home Depot. I purchased some hardware for my kitchen that I was telling you about. This is the Modern Square bar pull in flat black. I wanted to see how this would look. I thought this would be a nice touch to the space. So I purchased one of each for the cabinets to see first. So the other one that I want to show you here is also the same Modern Square bar pull in flat black, but this is the 96 millimeter that I want to try on the drawers. So the top one is for the cabinets and the bottom one will be for the drawers here. Now, the only thing is I love the way it looks up top on my cabinets. Easy installation. I only have to do another hole. That won't be a problem at all. The dilemma is when I actually try to have that same look for the drawers. It is off by an inch for the drawer here. So I'm thinking about trying to see if they have some additional ones, maybe a little bit smaller, that will work well for this particular project that I'm doing, changing out. If not, then I'll just have to try to find some somewhere else a little bit smaller. Okay. I'm not wowed by this at all. Try to put this back in here properly. Look at this. Look how large that looks. Look how large that looks. That does not look like that. I don't know what this is that I received. I don't know. Good morning. Today's Saturday, March the 23rd. We are just getting things in order for the fireplace to be built out. Here is the wood that my husband brought in. Just trying to get everything lined up for them when they come in to start the process. So I am going to move everything over, the mirror, the plant, and the table over, so they have enough space to actually do the work. I'm definitely excited to see how this will all turn out. All right, guys, so the TV is down. We are getting ready. The TV is over here. And so they went out to the car to get some stuff, but for now, this is what it is. So this is what they've taken up so far. They didn't consent to being on camera, so that's why you don't see them. But this is what it looks like. The little marks on the wall here, right there, is where it's gonna stop. So it's gonna come over to here too, where this mark. So I'm just currently sitting on the couch, just trying to make sure everything is like centered. So you'll see the fireplace run right along here. And then they are at the store currently getting additional 2x4s because we do need 3. But it's going to be very simple, but yet very classy. I do like the fact that even the woodwork is very neat. How lovely the fireplace is, guys. They're going to come back and do the drywall, but this is what it's looking like. So right now, my awesome husband, we are about to put speakers inside of our fireplace. So you can actually turn them either way. You know, you can drill these into the wall in the back. So this is what the back looks like. And so you can kind of just drill it in and it twists on. And then once it's up, you can change the direction of it. I really do like this. At first, my husband bought this, what, in 2023, 22, one of them years. 22. And I did not want them out sitting in corners. As we're getting the fireplace built out, we're going to put everything on the inside so it's not visible. I hate cords showing. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get that done. So when they come in tomorrow, they won't have to worry about doing that at all. They can just put the sheetrock on there and mud it. Oh. This is the remote that comes with it. You can adjust the flame to make it low. You see? See how it got low and then it got brighter? And this is the color. So you have It changes to blue. That's pretty. My son loves that one. Green. Purplish, dark blue, whatever. Orange and green and white. And then you have like an aqua-ish color. And then just orange, regular fire flames. They did have like a pink one. It mixed color. I don't see that one. It was like blue and pink at the same time. And then you have just your simple white. And here is the pink and purple that I wanted to show you earlier.
something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. You know I can't stop loving you. Every time when you're looking at me, it feels like my heart is skipping a beat, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in a good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love and feeling alright. And let's talk about love, yeah, baby. take you out tonight, kiss you in the moonlight. There is no place I'd rather be. Come on girl, we can take my car, drinking some beers in your favorite bar, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in that good way. So come on baby, let's talk about love. Like you and me all night, and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright, and let's talk about love. Yeah baby, come and dance with me, everything you'll ever need. So let's talk about love. 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 I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. I've got something on my mind. Let's talk about love. Like you and me all night, and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright, and let's talk about love. Yeah baby, come and dance with me, everything you'll ever need. So let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.